Hello YouTube and welcome back to another review. So today I've been wanting to do this review for a while. Um so today I wanted to review the 2006 Trackmaster remote control Thomas. So as you all know, Trackmaster is a motorized Thomas merch that first came out in 2006. It's pretty much the redesign of Tommy when they added details, and then they changed the tracks from the blue Tommy track to the brown tan track. And started in 2006, and then they redesigned it again in 2014. So we're not going to be talking about that. We're going to be taking a look at the remote control Thomas. So let's take a look at the remote control Thomas. And I gotta say, this is one of my favorite pieces in the Trackmaster era. They also had a flip face Thomas from the Thomas at Tip Machette set, but I actually used to have that, but unfortunately it broke back in 2011, and unfortunately I lost it. So I am searching another one. So we got Thomas here. They did other characters like Percy, James. Both came out in 2007. And then Stanley in 2008 and Molly in 2009. They did Hero and Victor in 2010, and then they did Diesel 10 in 2012. And I think they did Luke in 2015, around there. But yeah, that's all the characters they did in the remote control Trackmaster. So I have Thomas out because I've been wanting to do a review on Thomas for a while, and I gotta say, I love this piece. It's one of my favorites. So let's take a look at Thomas. So it's basically the same model as the other Thomases, except it's got more detail. It's got the painted footplate. It's got its confident face. Its confident face on here. Same thing, same model. And one thing I kind of dislike about this is that, not that I'm against it or anything, it's why they gave him like a red boxcar. I honestly wish they would give him like Annie or something. And then we have it come with Clarabelle, because I remember they used to come with rolling stock. I know Thomas had the blue boxcar, Percy had a brake van, James had a tanker, Stanley had a troublesome truck, and Molly didn't have anything. So yeah, I mean, this is still a cool piece, one of my favorite. So yeah, there's Thomas. And of course it does come with a controller. Pretty well detailed. I love it because I just always love the RC engines. Yeah. So it does work. There's a switch under here, which you gotta turn it under here. There's two buttons here. So this one here is his whistle. Over here is, down here is the theme song. Probably gonna get a copyright for that, but who cares? So up here it's got the handle. It makes chopping sounds. You push it forward and backwards. So Thomas does work as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn Thomas on, and I will show you how it works. So here's that. Here's the whistle, and then here's Thomas going forward, and then Thomas is going backwards. So yeah, that is how it works. Once again, this is my favorite piece out of anything in the Trackmaster range. So yep, that is my review of the remote control Thomas. And I hope you all enjoyed. Peace.